Hello, it's Anna from the Chatbot team, and in this video I'll be showing you what you can achieve with the fallback message. So what is fallback? The fallback interaction is triggered when your bot doesn't recognize the user's message. You can use it to ask the customer to reword their question, show answers they can choose from, or ask them to contact you in another way. Fallback can help your chatbot sustain a conversation when a misunderstanding happens. So whenever your bot doesn't recognize a specific message from the user because it fell below the confidence score, the bot will automatically send the user to fallback. So here you can set up the message for the customer. You don't have to add the bot response here because it's added by default when you create a story. You also have some variants here already if you want to use them, but I want to add my own custom message. I want to add a button here and ask the customer this way. I'm gonna say, I'm not sure what you're saying as the bot, and would you like to contact us in another way? One will be to call us, so let's say call us, and we'll choose the button type as phone call. Here you can add your phone number. Remember to add your country code. Let's save that setting. And another one will be to email. To email us. And here we want to choose the open URL option. And we want to precede your email with the mail to phrase. So what it looks like, it will say mail to and your email address. Let's save settings. This will automatically open your mail client or the user's mail client to email you directly. Now let's save it. And that's it. Your customers now have the message to fall back on when your bot doesn't recognize their query. And if they want to contact you another way, that's how they can do it. All right, thank you for watching.